So from today we are going to start with our CSS. So first of all, I'm creating folder on my desktop and the name is CSS, and within this folder I'm creating one file 1.html, and within this file I'm getting my emit code. Now there are three ways by which we can insert CSS in our document. First is inline, second is external, and third is internal. So first of all, we are going to see how to insert inline CSS in our document. So we know about paragraph tag from HTML. So here I have taken paragraph tag and here I am writing lorem to get my automatic code. And in between I am putting BR so that my text may not go from one end of the browser to another end. Now P is our element. It has attribute style. So I will write style, and the style has different properties it has. So first of all, I want to change the color of my text. So I will be writing color and colon. Now it is showing me the list of the color. I can select directly from this list, or I can write my own color name. So here I am selecting fire brick. So it has changed the color of my text. So it has changed the color of my text to fire brick. Next, I want that background color of this paragraph should change. So I will put semicolon here and will write background hyphen. Now it is showing background color. So background color, for background color also it is showing the list of colors available. I can directly select it from here only and I can write my own color name. Select it, save it, and then click on go live. So it has given background color to my paragraph. Next we will see text align property. So I'm just copying this paragraph. And here I'm giving text align property. Text hyphen align. We read it in HTML also. Now here I'm giving center. Put semicolon here. Second, here I'm giving text align. Left, and in third I'm giving align colon right. Put semicolon. Save it and then click on go live. So we can see that this paragraph is center aligned, this is left aligned, and this is right aligned. So this is the way by which we can give inline CSS in our document.